The convergence of AI and the Internet of Things, IoT, has sparked a transformative wave across industries, reshaping technology and paving the way for a smarter, more interconnected world. AI-powered IoT solutions play a pivotal role in this revolution by leveraging the power of data collected from interconnected devices. By harnessing AI capabilities, IoT devices can collect, analyze, and interpret vast amounts of data in real time. This enables businesses and individuals to make data-driven decisions, optimize processes, and enhance overall efficiency. For example, predictive maintenance powered by AI algorithms can detect anomalies and patterns in device data, allowing for proactive maintenance and preventing costly breakdowns. This predictive approach optimizes device performance, reduces downtime, and extends the lifespan of critical assets. In the realm of energy management, AI-enabled IoT systems play a vital role in optimizing energy consumption, promoting sustainability, and reducing costs. These intelligent systems leverage AI algorithms to analyze energy usage patterns, identify inefficiencies, and recommend energy-saving measures. By optimizing energy consumption in buildings, factories, and cities, AI-powered IoT solutions contribute to a greener and more sustainable future. In healthcare, AI-enabled IoT devices are revolutionizing patient care and monitoring. These devices enable remote patient monitoring, allowing healthcare professionals to track vital signs, detect anomalies, and provide timely interventions. This technology not only improves patient outcomes but also enhances the efficiency of healthcare delivery by reducing the need for in-person visits and enabling personalized remote care. As we delve deeper into the exciting realm of AI applications in IoT, we will explore topics such as smart cities, industrial IoT, home automation, and more. Stay tuned for insightful content that will uncover the potential and implications of AI in transforming the IoT landscape. Don't miss out on the valuable AI insights that can shape the future of IoT and drive innovation across industries. Thank you for watching, and stay connected for more transformative content.